Good afternoon, Brenda. This is Richard at Tameron Honda. I want to thank you so much for inquiring on our Honda CR-V LX in blue. I've got that exact vehicle right here, right behind me. I can't wait to show you this amazing car. Please call me at 205-541-2862 so I can set you up with a VIP appointment and test drive. I'll have the car pulled up, gassed up, AC on. I'm going to roll out the right car for you, Brenda. Make this the easiest buying experience possible. Again, my name is Richard. My number is 205-541-2862. And when you come into Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.